This is the machine right here. So you open it, you push that switch to here, it'll say open. So try the credits, you're going to go to mode, so go to mode, price, there's 3 options, 1, 2, 3, let's do the first one, and you use the up and down button, let's do 3/4, and then you go to mode again, that's the heat I think, not too sure, but there's a 5-gallon water thing on top, 3 containers right there. And then after you do that, you are going to go to save. So once you do that, it'll say lock. So these are the 6-ounce cups that you put inside, right here, right there. Sound cups. So do that. Lock it. So let's say the first one I put 3/4. So it won't work without 3/4. So I'm gonna put 1, 2. Still won't work. So you put the third one in. Press the button, drops the cup, ends it, so once it's out, this is it right here. There's 6-ounce cups, but it's at the very top, so you might want to use 8-ounce, but this is still good. There. And that's pretty much it. Just 3 different flavors.